Okay, we've got more binomials, and here it is. This is question number 3. So a factory produces large quantities of books. It's known that 20% of these books are yellow, and a random sample of 10 books is taken. And what we've got to do is then find the probability of at least 6 yellow books in that sample, and then part B, find the probability of exactly 4 yellow books in that sample. So jot this down, have a go, and we'll catch up in a few seconds to go through the solutions. Righto, it is solution time. So let's get going. The first thing we would need to do is write out our distribution. So let's say X here, which represents picking yellow books in a sample of 10, can be binomially distributed. Our sample size is 10 and the probability of picking yellow book is 0.2. So that's our distribution. And now what we've got to do is now use that to find the probability of at least 6 yellow books. So what does that mean? That means the probability that X is greater than or equal to 6, right? We want at least 6. But then how are we going to work this out? Now, what I'm going to do is just quickly write out all the outcomes because there's not too many. So we've got a sample size of 10. We're looking for yellow books. You could get no yellow books. You could get 1 yellow book. You could get 2, you could get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or even 10. You could get all 10 being yellow. But what are we looking for? We're only looking for 6 or more being yellow. So this stuff here. Now, how are we going to work that out? Well, to work that out, what we can do is use this stuff here. So that there is the probability that X is less than or equal to 5. And what we can do is then do 1, subtract that value to give us all of this here. So let's use our calculator to find this probability, less than or equal to 5. So remember, because you've got those inequalities in there, you're going to need the binomial CD, the cumulative distribution. So we'll select that, variable 2. Now X is going to equal 5 in this scenario because we're looking for 5 or less. And then fill in n is 10, our sample size is 10, and the probability is 0.2. So put that in as well, hit equals one more time, and there is our probability. It's 1 minus 0.9936. So we'll just subtract that. Let's just quickly store this. Store that in A, menu 1, and then 1 subtract whatever A was. We get this tiny number, that's 6.37 times 10 to the minus 3. So hopefully you've got that for part A. And now we're looking for part B. So part B says find the probability of exactly 4 yellow books. So this time we just need the probability that X is equal to 4. We're just looking for one probability here. And remember, when we are looking for that, what do? We need the binomial PD. So let's go to our distribution. Binomial PD, that's 4, go for variable. And now what are we looking for? X is 4. Enter the rest in, so that's 10 and 0.2 again. And there we go, there's our probability. 0.0, we'll go 881. And there it is. So a few more binomial questions done there. Hopefully you're getting the hang of it, and hopefully you're getting the hang of using a calculator to solve these problems. More coming your way, so stay tuned, and I hope to catch you in the next video.